Yeah, guys. I've already been doing a bit of work to this plane. It's a tether plane, if you're wondering. It needs some more work. It needs a propeller. I'm going to be going down, probably down to a hobby shop for that. I cleaned up the engine in it, and it's like a tiny, tiny, tiny little engine. Little thimble engine. I don't even want to know how small the CC is, and there's probably like 5, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong. The plane is a home build from the 50s and the 60s. According to the owner, the father who built it, actually grandfather I think it was, who built it, was his kid was wanting a plane, so he ended up buying a kit and an engine, like a reasonably stout engine, and a kit for like a aeroplane kit, and he built what I can only describe would be the red burn. It is a hot mess. If I can't get this running, I'll probably donate it to the Edmonton Aviation Museum, so they can just put it next to the the big version. Now, the plane on its own, the actual plane rather than the Red Baron, the actual model is a Fokker dr-1. That would be F-O-K-K-E-R and not the F-bomb. But it's in some dire straits. You can see there's some spots I haven't repaired yet. Just over there. See? Some of the writing there is just kind of like just standard. The wheels for it are actually genuine hobby-ish wheels. I've already been doing some work on this. I have to, I'm going to be a pain in the ass to try and redo that. The actual Red Baron is supposed to have one of the World War I era Iron Cross on either side. So I would have to get some decals and stick them there, and then cover that there, or leave it just like that. But problem is, the paper or whatever they used on here, probably wax paper or cheesecloth or something, isn't the best. It's falling apart in places. I would have to cut this whole section right out anyways. I'm going to be just putting some tape on there, just because I already tried this, and it's too much of a hassle to do. Like, it works, don't get me wrong, but it's... Yeah. I'll have to, it's just going to be patchwork. Yeah, that part there, that's what happened is somebody was probably running this back in the 90s or something, and it's crashed. And it blew out the old propeller for it, the old prop, and broke the back there. Probably what happened is that broke and then that went flying down, and then it just got sat there for ages and just collected a whole bunch of crap. I'm going to probably end up reinforcing the framework anyways, because it's better. You can see if you look really closely amongst the dust, you can see the papers ripping. They had to be built lightweight. Anyways, I thought I'd show that to you guys. I'll do some more work on it and put it back in my room for later, and yeah. Alrighty. Later, guys.